every idea begins with a spark. A vision igniting infinite possibilities. At JSF, we dive deep into the heart of innovation, where science meets precision, and the foundation of materials is forged at the atomic level. From the elemental forces of nature to the most advanced engineering techniques, JSF transforms raw materials into high-performance solutions. With our combined team of experts, we bring together the science of materials and the art of craftsmanship, delivering unparalleled quality in every project. Through cutting-edge welding and material expertise, we shape the future, one precise weld at a time. Our expertise spans across sectors such as railways, military, energy, and more. No matter the challenge, our commitment to quality never wavers. Behind every product is a team dedicated to excellence. At JSF, we combine science, engineering, and a passion for innovation to redefine standards. Together, we forge the future, building solutions that stand the test of time. JSF, where innovation meets precision.